My motive for 2025 is to help 10,000 students to switch to the manual to automation. मेरा गोल ये है. I'm on a mission. This is what I want to achieve. Learn the concept from here. Everyone understand and do 10 exercises per daily, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay. What you need to do is I have basically created a public GitHub repository for you guys where 10 exercises daily you need to do. Can you see that? How many of you can see that? Give me yes in the chat. 10 exercise करनी है. For example, this is day number 1. Do 10 exercises, practice everywhere. Everyone please understand, I have noted down the statements, what exactly are the topics that we are learning. जो चीजें I have noted down, you need to basically do this. Everyone, the two questions probably people will have कि sir GitHub, I don't know what is GitHub and why we are uploading to GitHub. Anyone has this question? Give me yes in the chat. कि sir, why we are uploading to GitHub and why we are doing? We are uploading to github.com so that we can track our process. The main problem all of you are not getting the result is, can anyone tell me in the chat, is inconsistency. How many of you agree with me? Give me yes in the chat. Main problem with all of you is the inconsistency. So what if we do like this? Day by day, we upload them into here and upload them like this. Day by day, pura upload kiya. पूरे जावा बेसिस एंड एवरीथिंग इज पब्लिक. आई एम नॉट हाइडिंग एनीथिंग. कुछ भी हाइड नहीं किया गाइस. आई हैव नेवर हाइड एनीथिंग. आई एम नॉट हाइडिंग एनीथिंग इन दिस केस. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नीड टू डू दिस. ठीक है एवरीवन, कैन यू सी दी, this is my repository of 9x. Here if you click on October, you will see how exactly I am doing which program with the topics. Also you can see that. So you need to create your own tracker, upload them day by day. This is what you need to do, which means in next 45 days you will have around 300 exercises. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Okay, so it means, let me show you. Pramod sir, can you show us proof also? Can you show proof also? ठीक है, मैं दिखाता हूँ. Everyone, can you see Sandhya has done it? How many of you can see that? Sandhya is also doing day by day. How many of you can see that? Yes. Can you see that Malvika is also doing? Can you see that this is a Malvika repository? Date wise she is doing. How many of you can see that? Give me yes in the chat. And acha theek hai, I'll show you also. In the GitHub repository of 9x, I have asked people to give me a repository. Can you see that? How there are people who are doing Snowball, Ravi, Shilpa, they are basically doing everything.